Tired of manually transferring Facebook leads into Cinc and wasting valuable time? In this video, we'll show you how to seamlessly integrate Facebook lead ads with Cinc using Zapier, automating your contact management and boosting your marketing efficiency. First, log into your Zapier account or create a new one if you haven't already. Click the Create Zap button to start building your automated workflow, also known as a Zap. Next, set up your trigger search for Facebook lead ads and select it as your trigger app. Choose New Lead as the trigger event. This means every time someone submits a form on your Facebook lead ad, this Zap will be activated. Now, connect your Facebook account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to grant Zapier permission to access your Facebook lead ads. Select the Facebook page associated with your lead ads and then choose the specific form you want to connect. Now, let's set up the action. Search for Cinc and select it as your action app. Choose Create, Update Contact as the action event. Connect your Cinc account to Zapier, which will require you to enter your API key. Here comes the most important part: mapping the data. Match the fields from your Facebook lead ad form, like full name and email, to the corresponding fields in your Cinc account, such as name and email. This tells Zapier where to put the information from Facebook into Cinc. Finally, test your Zap to ensure everything is working correctly. Once you're satisfied, turn your Zap on. Now, whenever someone fills out your Facebook lead ad form, their contact information will automatically be added to your Cinc account. This will help streamline your contact management process. Enjoy.